Do you feel like your kitchen is cramped and cluttered? Are you looking for ways to save time and effort while cooking? Do you want to transform your kitchen into a smarter and more efficient space? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, we will share with you a collection of smart household tools and brilliant hacks that will help you organize your kitchen, save space, and make cooking easier and more enjoyable. In this video, we will cover essential kitchen tools that every household should have, smart tools to save space in kitchen cabinets and on countertops, clever tricks for organizing cookware, dishes, and cups, innovative tools to make tough cooking tasks easier, tips for cleaning your kitchen efficiently. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to choose the right household tools for your needs, how to organize your kitchen in a smart and efficient way, how to save space in your small kitchen, how to use kitchen tools effectively to save time and effort, how to make cooking more fun and easy. Watch this video now and start transforming your kitchen into a smarter and more efficient space. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love to cook.